Okay, so this is after we did this number. So this is the Woodwind feature, just the Woodwind feature. So we're here, we're in second, we're gonna go out with our left, and it's just gonna go 1. Yeah? So grab palm out. So we're not grabbing under, we're grabbing over. Yeah? So palm away from you. Yeah? 1, 2, so it's going to flourish behind you. So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, it's plie. 4. Yeah? We're going to go lean right, and that rifle's going to come around, and you're going to catch angle. So I'm doing from flat, I'm just doing that, yeah? So that's 6. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? 6, and on 7, 8, you can come 7 up 8, and it's going to go 9, 10, 11, 12. So let me do that a little slower. From 6, you're going to swing that left leg around. 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So we're not cutting across, going down and up. 6, 7, 8, out. So push out away from your body with your right. 9, 10, and you're going to slide the hand to neck while you hold on to the butt. So 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah? So 11 and 12. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, and from 12, here, we're at 12, it's gonna go, we're lunged. Okay, actually, here, be like, you absorb the impact, but you don't lunge until 13, yeah? So 13, 14, 15, 16, yeah? So you just follow that weight. You're shifting your weight with the butt of the rifle, yeah? So you come up when it comes up. So up, down. Yeah, does that make sense? So 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So 5th, 6th, you're coming down from top, shift, 16. So 15 is just switching your feet, yeah? So all together, that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. Yeah, I don't do it consistently, but the point is, yeah? So, sweep. Yeah, and y'all will have to clean those feet on your own. Okay.